Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn piano at home on mobile. First, find a quiet, comfortable spot where you can focus without distractions. Make sure your mobile device is fully charged or plugged in, so your practice isn't interrupted. Next, download a reputable piano learning app designed for beginners. Many apps offer interactive lessons and immediate feedback, which is crucial for building foundational skills. Start with basic exercises to familiarize yourself with the keys and simple melodies. To enhance your learning, consider investing in a digital piano or a MIDI keyboard. These connect directly to your mobile device, providing a more authentic feel than just a touchscreen. You'll need the correct adapter, often a USB to Lightning or USB-C cable, to link them up. Look for apps that provide visual cues like falling notes and a diverse library of songs. Some even have built-in metronomes and recording features to track your progress effectively. Consistent practice is key to mastering the piano. Aim for at least 15 to 20 minutes every day to build muscle memory and reinforce new concepts. When tackling a new song, don't try to play the whole thing at once. Instead, break it down into smaller, more manageable sections, practicing each hand separately before combining them. Recording yourself playing can also be incredibly helpful. It allows you to objectively hear your performance and pinpoint areas for improvement. Staying motivated is crucial for long-term success. Set small, achievable goals, such as learning a new chord progression or mastering one short song every 2 weeks. Celebrate these milestones to keep your spirits high. Connecting with other learners in online forums or social media groups can provide encouragement and new perspectives. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Keep practicing and enjoy the journey of making music.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.